Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's vlog. For our latest vlog will be all about the trendy topics on new time shows and songs writing contest. But subscribe to our YouTube channel. Gusto mag-like, shares, comments, and views abutin na 500 subscribers. If supportin natin sa ating social media account. Sa ating latest vlog for today ay 273 episode 273 entitled Himig Olympics plus SM Caloocan updates. Here's your vlog. Okay, simulan natin. Panoorin natin. Una naman natin ang new time highlights. Okay, kasi ang original kasi ay Bulagaan Olympics na naging Eid Bulaga Olympics kung saan two teams originating kasi blue team, ngayon red team and yellow team. For red team, team captain Jose Manalo, Ryza May Dizon, Atasha Mulak, May Mendoza, and other and singing queens Jean and Anne. While the yellow team, we have Miles Ocampo, Paolo Ballesteros, and team captain Wally Bayola, along with singing queens Eunice Janine, Sam Rascal, and Casey Bueno. At ang cover style reporters are City Crespo and Miguel Diapiaco. Bakit dong hirap yung last name, yung court sa na lalaki. But, for now, dahil all about sports. Round games 1 to 3 is based on the sports like javelin, archery, and sa basketball, volleyball. Yung javelin straw, ang panalo, yellow team. While, pitik cherry, parang archery, yan lang na naman, yellow team ang panalo sa atin. At sa ating game 3, tinatawag po nating pole rally o yung ball rally, ang yellow team biglang nangyayari, yung member ng red team, yung member ng red team nagsintas na nagsintas na sapatos. So, yung tali na sapatos for Wally kay Jose or Paulo. While si Miles, natanggal siya ng bola. Kaya parang nandaya. Sorry, pasensya na po. So, panalo talaga. Yellow team. Congrats, yellow team, Miles, Paulo, and Wally Bayola. Congrats! Yan, babawi tayo red team next time. Thanks for watching. Para sa ating Himig Handog Philpop interpreters. Watch this. Okay. Okay, eto na. Here's our review kung sino yung makakanta ng interpreters. Like, Icy Guerra, Ferdinand Aragon, Jolie Ann, Kimo Gumatay, Maki, Anne Rain, like Estrella, and Jeka Morales. Wow, Pananang Television, Moira de la Torre featuring Jono Danao, Kirkley, Noah Alejandre, Chantel, di maintindihan yung basta pa, and Pana and Tiara Shame. Yan ang ating interpreters ng Himig Handog Philpop 2024 edition. Alam ko si Icy Guerra sa ATM, ang tanging magmamahal. Di ka sure. Ghostwriter for Kimo, Langit Lupa, for Anne Pana sa Wag Palaruan, at sa Papahiram kay Moira. Yung iba, malaman natin yan. Salamat sa lahat. And good luck to all the interpreters and songwriters from Luzon, Visayas, para sa Himig Handog PhilPop 2024 will be soon, this July 9, via music streaming platforms under ABS-CBN Music and Star Music. Good luck! At bago ba tayo papapos, here are some SM Caloocan updates. Okay, mas bibilis na tayo The grand launch of dental care last Wednesday, July. They was supposed to meet sana to kasi may pasok yung mami ko. Nungkot naman. We have Dominic Roque and Ara San Agustin na Midgate Martinside last February sa SM Caloocan on their launch. Congratulations sa lahat ng na nag-launch sa SM Caloocan through dental care. Sugot na sa dental care branch in SM Caloocan. While i-move or postpone yung perform ni Anthony Meneses sa July 20, Saturday. Buti na lang, nag-postpone pala. Yan po for our latest vlog. Salamat and hope to see you next vlog. Bye! God bless!